synthetic division technique is a shortcut to long division method of dividing the polynomials. But we can do synthetic division only in cases where the divisor is of degree 1. Let us see how we do the synthetic division. So if we have a polynomial p of x, which is say x cube plus 3x square plus x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, and we have another polynomial, say q of x, which is x plus 2. Now, to apply synthetic division, the first condition is divisor polynomial should be of degree 1. That is degree is the highest power of the variable. So it should be of degree 1. It should not have any x square, x cube terms. It should only have the terms with x, degree 1. The power of the variable is 1. And the leading coefficient should also be 1. Leading coefficient in this case is the coefficient of the term having x in it. Okay, so if this condition of divisor polynomial is satisfied, then only we can perform the synthetic division. So if we have to divide the polynomial px by another polynomial qx, in this case it is x plus 2, we see that the degree of the qx is 1. That's the highest power of the variable, and the leading coefficient, which is the coefficient of x, is also 1. Is a shortcut to long division, and let us see how we do synthetic division in this case. So the first step is to check and write px in descending order of the powers of the variable. The first step to do the synthetic division is to write the coefficients of each term. So coefficient of x cube is 1, coefficient of x square is 3 or plus 3, coefficient of x is plus 5, and the constant term is plus 6. We draw a line, leave some space here because we have to write more numbers here. Now let us see the divisor function q of x, which is x plus 2. In this case, you just have to consider the constant part along with its sign. So we have a plus 2 here. We have to negate plus 2. So you have to negate plus 2. On negating plus 2, we get a negative 2. So we will be dividing by negative 2. Now what is the first step? The first step is to take down the first coefficient as it is. Now we will be multiplying minus 2 with minus 1. When minus 2 is multiplied by minus 1, we get a minus 2 and we write it down here. And then we add these two terms. We add them. So my plus 3 and minus 2 adds up to plus 1. Next step is to multiply minus 2 with positive 1. So it gives you a minus 2 again. Then again the vertical addition. So plus 5 and negative 2 gives you a positive 3. Again minus 2 is multiplied to minus 3. to give you a negative 6. And the vertical addition plus 6 and minus 6 gives you a 0. Once all this is done, then please note that the last number here is the remainder. And the quotient expression is formed using these coefficients. So the quotient expression will be 1 into x square plus 1 into x plus the constant term 3. So this is our quotient and the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, this means that the function qx is a factor of function px because it is dividing px completely. Okay. So when we divide x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2, we get x square plus x plus 3. So this method of dividing a polynomial by another polynomial of degree 1 and the leading coefficient 1 is called synthetic division. It's a shortcut to long division and it takes very less space on your paper to solve, unlike long division. But it is very algorithmic too. So you need to remember and do the correct step. This method, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.